The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple. As the day transitions into night, the city of Toronto undergoes a magical transformation. The twilight sky, with its mesmerizing blend of colors, casts a serene glow over the bustling metropolis. It's a moment of calm before the city awakens to its vibrant nightlife. The skyline, adorned with towering skyscrapers, stands tall against the backdrop of the setting sun, creating a picturesque view that captivates the heart and soul. Toronto awakens under a blanket of stars. As darkness envelops the city, the skyline begins to sparkle with countless lights, each one telling a story of its own. The stars above seem to mirror the lights below, creating a harmonious blend of natural and man-made beauty. It's a sight that leaves one in awe, a reminder of the endless possibilities that the night holds. This vibrant city takes on a new personality after dark. The streets, once filled with the hustle and bustle of daily life, now come alive with a different kind of energy. The nightlife in Toronto is a testament to its diverse culture and dynamic spirit. From cozy cafes to bustling bars, there's something for everyone. The city pulses with an electric vibe, inviting both locals and visitors to explore its many facets. Look, the iconic CN Tower pierces the twilight, its spire a beacon against the darkening sky. Illuminated in vibrant colors, the tower stands as a symbol of Toronto's modernity and innovation. It's a sight that draws the eye and captures the imagination, a landmark that defines the city's skyline. As the lights dance around its structure, the CN Tower becomes a focal point of the night, guiding us through the urban landscape. From this perspective, Toronto unfolds like a glittering map, its landmarks shimmering with promise. The aerial view offers a unique vantage point, showcasing the city's architectural marvels and vibrant neighborhoods. Each landmark, from the historic to the contemporary, tells a story of Toronto's rich heritage and forward-thinking vision. The cityscape, bathed in the glow of countless lights, is a testament to the city's enduring charm and allure. Let's begin our exploration, shall we? As we venture into the heart of Toronto, we'll discover the many hidden gems that make this city so special. From quaint alleyways to bustling squares, each corner holds a surprise waiting to be uncovered. The night offers a different perspective, revealing the city's true essence and character. So let's take a step forward and immerse ourselves in the magic of Toronto after dark. As dusk settles, we descend into the heart of the city. The transition from day to night brings with it a sense of anticipation and excitement. The city center, with its towering buildings and bustling streets, becomes a playground for those seeking adventure. The twilight hour casts a soft glow, creating an atmosphere that's both enchanting and inviting. It's the perfect time to explore and experience the many wonders that Toronto has to offer. Each step leads us closer to the magic that awaits. As we walk through the streets, the city's vibrant energy envelops us. The sounds of laughter, music, and conversation fill the air, creating a symphony of urban life. The lights, both bright and subtle, guide our way, illuminating the path ahead. It's a journey of discovery where every turn reveals a new facet of Toronto's dynamic nightlife. The streets come alive with a symphony of lights. The interplay of shadows and illumination creates a mesmerizing dance, transforming the city into a living, breathing entity. The lights, in their myriad forms and colors, tell a story of a city that's always on the move, always evolving. It's a visual feast that captures the essence of Toronto's spirit and vitality. Car headlights draw white lines through the urban canyons. The flow of traffic, with its rhythmic movement, adds to the city's dynamic pulse. The headlights, like streams of light, weave through the streets, creating patterns that are both chaotic and beautiful. It's a testament to the city's constant motion, a reminder that Toronto never truly sleeps. The air buzzes with anticipation. The nightlife in Toronto is a vibrant tapestry of experiences, each one adding to the city's rich cultural mosaic. From live music performances to late-night eateries, there's a sense of excitement that permeates the air. The people, with their diverse backgrounds and stories, come together to create a unique and unforgettable atmosphere. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the city's enduring spirit. Our journey through Toronto's historical landmarks has just begun. As we explore these iconic sites, we'll uncover the stories and histories that have shaped this incredible city. The landmarks, illuminated against the night sky, stand as proud reminders of Toronto's rich heritage and cultural significance. Each one offers a glimpse into the past, a connection to the present, and a promise for the future. So, let's continue our adventure and discover the many wonders that await us in this beautiful city. Our first stop is Union Station. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to Toronto's rich past. Its Beaux Art design, with soaring columns and intricate carvings, is simply breathtaking. Imagine a time when travelers from across the continent first step foot in Toronto here. Step inside, and you'll be transported back in time. The grand hall, with its high-vaulted ceiling and ornate chandeliers, exudes an air of timeless elegance. The hustle and bustle of the day have faded. A sense of tranquility pervades the cavernous space. Take a moment to admire the craftsmanship. It's a reminder of a bygone era. Next, we venture north to Casa Loma. This majestic castle perched atop a hill seems to emerge from a fairy tale. As the sun sets and the night takes over, Casa Loma transforms into a beacon of history and elegance. The soft lighting accentuates its grandiose structure, making it appear even more enchanting. The castle's silhouette against the night sky is a sight to behold, evoking images of ancient tales and legends. Built in the early 20th century, Casa Loma is a stunning example of Gothic revival architecture. Its intricate details and majestic design are a testament to the craftsmanship of the era. The castle's architecture is a blend of medieval and modern elements, creating a unique and captivating aesthetic. Each stone and archway tells a story of a time when grandeur and opulence were the norms. Its towers and turrets, silhouetted against the night sky, evoke a sense of mystery and wonder. The play of light and shadow creates an almost magical atmosphere, making one feel as if they've stepped into a different world. The castle's illuminated turrets stand tall, guarding the secrets of the past and inviting visitors to explore its many wonders. As you approach the castle, you'll be captivated by its sheer grandeur. The illuminated structure stands as a testament to the vision and ambition of its creator, Sir Henry Pellet. The entrance, with its grand archways and detailed carvings, welcomes you into a world of luxury and history. Each step closer reveals more of the castle's intricate beauty and the stories it holds. The moonlight casts long shadows across the manicured lawns. The gardens, bathed in the soft glow of the moon, offer a serene and peaceful ambiance. The interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing dance, adding to the castle's enchanting allure. Walking through these gardens at night, one can almost hear the whispers of the past and the echoes of grand celebrations. Walk through the gardens and imagine the lavish parties that once took place here. The gardens, with their meticulously maintained flora and historical ambience, provide a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the early 20th century. Each pathway and corner of the garden holds a story, waiting to be discovered by those who wander through its beauty. Inside, secret passageways and hidden rooms whisper tales of a bygone era. The castle's interior is a labyrinth of history, with each room offering a unique glimpse into the past. The hidden passageways, once used for clandestine meetings and secret escapes, add an element of intrigue and mystery. Exploring these rooms, one can't help but feel a connection to the stories and events that shaped Casa Loma's history. Casa Loma at night is truly an unforgettable experience. The castle, with its illuminated facade and enchanting ambiance, offers a journey through time and history. Each corner, each shadow, and each light tells a story, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the magic of Casa Loma. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply looking for a magical night out, Casa Loma promises an experience like no other. Our journey now takes us to the historic St. Lawrence Market neighborhood. Nestled in the heart of Toronto, this market has been a cornerstone of the community for over 2 centuries. It's a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly, offering a unique experience for both locals and visitors alike. By day, this area bustles with vendors and shoppers. The market is alive with the sounds of haggling, the vibrant colors of fresh produce, and the enticing aromas of international cuisines. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, drawing people from all walks of life to its stalls and shops. But at night, a different kind of energy takes over. The hustle and bustle of the day give way to a more relaxed yet equally captivating atmosphere. The market transforms into a serene yet lively space, where the glow of streetlights and the hum of evening conversations create a magical ambiance. The aroma of freshly baked goods still lingers in the air. Even as the vendors pack up for the day, the scent of bread and pastries wafts through the streets, inviting you to indulge in a late-night treat. It's a reminder that the market's charm extends well beyond daylight hours. The cobblestone streets, lit by gas lamps, exude a romantic ambiance. These historic pathways, which have seen countless footsteps over the years, now serve as a picturesque backdrop for evening strolls.
I got so much motherfucking going on right now.
The gentle flicker of the lamps casts a warm glow, making it feel like you've stepped back in time. Grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants. From cozy cafes to upscale dining establishments, the market area offers a diverse range of culinary delights. Whether you're in the mood for a quick snack or a leisurely dinner, there's something to satisfy every palate. Enjoy a leisurely stroll through the market's south building. This iconic structure, with its high ceilings and historic charm, takes on a new life at night. The quiet hum of activity and the soft lighting create a peaceful yet intriguing environment, perfect for exploring at your own pace. Its Victorian architecture adorned with twinkling lights creates a festive atmosphere. The intricate details of the building are highlighted by the soft illumination, making it a visual delight. It's a testament to the market's enduring appeal and its ability to adapt to the times while preserving its historic essence. The St. Lawrence Market at night is the perfect place to experience the city's vibrant culinary scene and soak up its unique charm. Whether you're a foodie looking to sample the best local dishes or simply someone who enjoys a good meal in a beautiful setting, the market has something to offer. It's a place where the past and present come together, creating an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Toronto. Section 5, Distillery District's Nightlife. Our next destination is the Distillery District. This former industrial area has been transformed into a trendy hub of art galleries, boutiques, and restaurants. The Victorian-era buildings, with their exposed brick walls and cast-iron details, have been beautifully restored. They now house a vibrant mix of businesses. As you wander through the pedestrian-friendly streets, you'll be captivated by the area's unique ambiance. The sound of live music spills out from cozy pubs. The glow of street lamps casts a warm light on the cobblestone streets. The Distillery District is a testament to Toronto's ability to reinvent itself while preserving its heritage. For a change of pace, we'll hop on a ferry to the Toronto Islands. As the city skyline recedes into the distance, you'll be greeted by a sense of tranquility. The islands offer a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The air is fresh, the views are breathtaking. Stroll along the waterfront trails and enjoy panoramic views of the city skyline. Rent a bike and explore the island's charming cottages and gardens, or simply relax on a bench and soak up the serenity. The Toronto Islands at night are a magical place to reconnect with nature and escape the city lights. Our journey through Toronto's history wouldn't be complete without a visit to Fort York National Historic Site. This 18th-century military fort played a pivotal role in the War of 1812. Today it stands as a reminder of Canada's past. At night, the fort takes on a special aura. The stars twinkle overhead just as they did centuries ago. The cannons, silhouetted against the night sky, serve as a solemn reminder of the battles fought on this very ground. Take a guided tour and learn about the fort's fascinating history, or simply wander the grounds and imagine life as it was in the 1800s. As our journey comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for Toronto's rich history. From the grand architecture of Union Station to the Gothic majesty of Casa Loma, each landmark tells a unique story. And when illuminated under the night sky, these stories come alive with a special kind of magic. Toronto's historical landmarks are more than just buildings. They are tangible connections to the city's past. They remind us of the people who came before us, and the events that shaped this vibrant metropolis. And they inspire us to learn more about the world around us. So, the next time you find yourself in Toronto, don't just see the city, experience it, explore its hidden alleyways, discover its secret gardens, and witness the magic that unfolds when the sun goes down. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Toronto at night is a city waiting to be discovered. It's a city where history meets modern magic, and it's a city that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye.